Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of June. The Darn Good Yarn box is a subscription service that you can buy monthly. There used to be different tiers that you could buy, and lately I've gone on their website and I've seen that there's a $30 box, there's a $10 box, there used to be a $20 box, but I don't see it anymore, so I'm not exactly sure what's going on with their tiers of subscriptions. But I have a $10 box, and I do buy this with my own money. This is not sponsored in any way. This is all of my own opinion. So this box did come late to me. The first box that they sent out got lost in the mail somewhere. It was said that it was delivered. I never received it though. I never even saw it. It didn't come to my door. It didn't come to my mailbox. So I contacted them and they sent me out this box. And luckily this one did get to me. So this is the box that I received, but I did want to let you guys know that ahead of time. I am not sure why this box is different. I'm not sure if it's because it's a if it's a replacement box, or if this is how they are doing their boxes now. I'm not sure, but this is the box that I received. This is the front. It tells you about the yarn, so spoiler alert, that's the yarn I'm getting. And then there's this side that shows you the yarn that I'm getting. So it's a cute little box. I just kind of miss my bright, colorful boxes. So I don't know if this is something they're doing going forward. I don't know if this is some sort of change they've made, or if this is just a one-off because my box was late. But I did want to let you guys know that too. I did want to let you guys know ahead of time because I've been thinking on this for a while. I am going to stop my subscriptions for Darn Good Yarn at the end of this year. I've been thinking it's just time. I've gotten it for 2 years now and it's been fun and everything, but I kind of just want to move on. It's nothing against them. The yarns are great, you know, and I'll probably still buy from them on their website and stuff, but I'm just not into the whole getting the yarn of the month anymore. But it's been fun. I'm not saying I hate it or I didn't like it or anything. And it is really fun unboxing it on camera, and that's why I've been doing it, because I thought it would be fun and I do enjoy it. But it's just, I feel like it's time to move on. So I did want to let you guys know that I am going to finish out this year, and I am going to do a full end of the year review like I did last year. But I thought I would go ahead and like sort of announce it in one of my videos. I'll probably keep announcing it in future ones too, just so, you know, anyone that misses this video, they will know that, hey, like, I'm stopping it since I've been doing it for a while. But okay, let's go ahead and open my box up. All right, so like I said, spoiler alert, but this is the yarn. It's exactly the same as it's shown on the box. Sparkle Classic Blue. Sparkle worsted. It's very soft. The color is cute. That like royal blue with a little turquoise glitter running through. It's very cute. So I have two, which is actually nice than just getting the normal one that you normally only get one, and then I get like a mystery item in my boxes. So this is kind of nice that I got two. Like, I definitely think I could make like a set of like gloves, or I could make like maybe a hat if there's enough in here. So that's pretty great. I'm pretty excited. On the back of these tags, it's going to tell you the needle and the hook that you can use with this weight of yarn. All right, well, those are super pretty. And oh, normally you get a booklet. See, that's why I'm confused on this box. My box is very different. Normally you get a booklet. It tells you about like the Darn Good Yarn box subscription. It tells you about the yarn and how it was made. It tells you about the mystery item, which I guess I didn't get one because I got two things of yarn. I don't know what's going on with this box, but I like the yarn, but I'm very, very confused. And yeah, so I usually like to look through that booklet because it also gives you a knitting pattern, usually gives you a crochet pattern to go with the yarn. I'm not sure why they didn't include one. I mean, I guess because of the size of my box, but that's very weird. But all right, not a very super exciting box this time, because usually I'm pretty excited to see my mystery item, but these yarn cakes are very, very cute. Very adorable. So that is going to be my Darn Good Yarn Box subscription box for the month of June. If you would like to see more of these unboxings, I have a subscription unboxing playlist, and I could have that listed down below. Again, I want to remind you guys, I am going to be doing a big review on all of my boxes for 2021 at the end of the year, and at the end of the year, I will be stopping my Darn Good Yarn Box unboxings. So that is going to be everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.